Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI. It can be so exciting for your little one to hit those milestones like rolling over or sitting up. That's why we're so happy we found this awesome playmat from My Bliss Baby.
It's 0.6 inches thick, which is a lot thicker than other brands, and it's so soft. It's a great cushion for my little one. We love that it comes in this plastic bag because it's really easy to store and put away when it's not being used. The mat tiles are like puzzle pieces, really easy to put together. They fit perfectly, and this is the beige and white color. You can also make it whatever size works best for your space. For example, in our nursery, we have less room than in the living room, so it's nice to be able to just customize the size depending where you're at in the house. My little one loves to do his tummy time here. We set up a mirror right in front of the mat, and it keeps him entertained for a long time. It gives us peace of mind knowing that he can play on the floor without hurting his little head or his back when he's trying to roll over or trying to sit up.
So if your baby's starting to hit those milestones, you're gonna wanna definitely check out this playmat from My Bliss Baby. It's nice and thick, so it offers your baby a lot of protection while they're learning to roll over, sit, and even crawl. You're definitely gonna wanna check it out, and that's my point of view.